Good afternoon, classmates. Our topic to discuss today is all about curly-leaf penguin aquatic plants. The scientific name of curly-leaf penguin is Potamogeton crispus. Abstract: curly-leaf penguin Potamogeton crispus is a long-established invasive in Minnesota. It is common throughout southern and central Minnesota and is thought to be expanding the northward. Kasagaran makitaan ang curly-leaf penguin sa Minnesota, United States. Curly-leaf penguin typically grows abundantly in spring in productive lakes and then senesces in midsummer, often followed by algae blooms. We report observation of widespread short-term declines in curly-leaf penguin cover that appears linked to winter snow deep in frozen lake. Motubo ang curly-leaf penguin if abundant ang spring o nya productive ang lake. Nya matiguang ang curly-leaf penguin if midsummer. The taxonomic rank of curly-leaf penguin: Kingdom Plantae, Phylum Magnolophyta, Class Liliopsida, Subclass Alismatidae, Order Nahadalis, Family Potamogetoninaceae, Genus Potamogeton, Scientific name Potamogeton crispus, Common name curly-leaf penguin. Introduction: Curly-leaf penguin Potamogeton crispus is a perennial submerged aquatic plant that is native to Eurasia. Motubo ang curly-leaf penguin sa ilawom sa tubig. It tolerates fresh or slightly brackish water and can grow in shallow, deep, still, or flowering water. It generally grows in 3 to 10 feet of water. Curly-leaf tolerates low water clarity and will readily invade disturbed areas. In spring, the plant will produce an emergent 1 to 2 inch flowering structure that bears small petaled flowers. By midsummer, Potamogeton crispus will begin to produce winter buds called turions. These vegetative winter buds, which resemble small pine cones, are an important reproductive agent for this plant. If midsummer, ang curly-leaf penguin mo produce og turion. Turion is a type of bud that is capable of growing into a complete plant. The uses of curly-leaf penguin: form dense mat that inhibit growth of native species and impede recreational activities. Can be used as oxygenator of pond. Magamit ni si Jap kanang patabang para mas daghan og oxygen ang pond. Curly-leaf penguin provides value to the pond because it grows through the winter and spring when most plants are absent from the pond. Magamit po ni si Jap kanang provides a source of food and habitat during this time. Origin of curly-leaf penguin. Curly-leaf penguin is a native to Eurasia, Africa, and Australia. The first documented occurrence of the plant in the North America was in Philadelphia in 1841 to 1842. By 1890, it has been confirmed in Delaware, Massachusetts, New York, and Ontario. By 1950, curly-leaf penguin was established across much of the United States and eastern Canada. The plant is now found in all 50 states and much of Canada.
Morphology: curly-leaf produce is a submerged aquatic macrophyte. Its leaves are oblong and attached directly to the stem in alternate patterns. The leaf margins of a pre-crispus are wavy, resembling a lasagna noodle or place of a bacon, and have fine teeth all along the leaf margins. When submerged, the plant appears reddish-brown, but when removed from the water, its green color becomes unapparent. Potamogeton crispus grows entirely as a submerged aquatic plants with no floating leaves. Leaves are alternate 4 to 10 centimeter in length and 5 to 10 millimeters wide. Habitats: primary, freshwaters and tidal non-tidal areas, grass bed, and secondary, salt or brackish marsh. Prefer cool water, stagnant or flowing, and shallow or deep. Growth and reproduction. Dies in summer with rising water temperature. Over summers as torion. Torions overminate in late summer to fall. Immature plants survive winter. Male and female plants have similar growth. Adult size 300 to 800 millimeters wide. Mature is less than a year. Reproduction season July. Produces 960 weeds.